YL850A, YL1000A from Hansa are high-speed, heavy-duty, and precise vertical machining centers, designed for customers who need machines with efficient cutting capabilities and accuracy. Travels on XYZ axes are 850 by 610 by 610 mm for model YL850A and 1020 by 610 by 610 mm for YL1000A. To meet the requirements of high-speed and high-efficiency machining, both machines are designed with linear ways on X, Y, Z axes, allowing rapid traverse rates to reach up to 36 meters per minute. Efficient machining is further enhanced by the use of a number 40 10,000 RPM drive spindle as standard. Upon request, a higher speed direct drive spindle with 10,000, 12,000, or 15,000 RPM is available. Equipped with a 24-tool ARM-type tool magazine with 2.5 seconds of tool change time, the machine reduces cycle times and keeps non-machining time to a minimum. Depending on customer requirements, the Hansa YL850A and YL1000A can be equipped with a Fanuc, Mitsubishi, or Siemens controller. To enable the machine to achieve the highest stability during high-speed performance, Hansa's engineers also focus on the machine structure design. The entire machine structure is analyzed by using the Advanced Finite Element Method (FEM) software to simulate stress and strain conditions. In addition to the massive construction of base, there are 4 linear ways deployed on the base, allowing the machine to support heavy load without deformation. The robust column with reinforcement at its bottom provides an increase in structural strength and rigidity. This also leads to ultra-high stability during high-speed cutting process. Whatever your operations, face milling, end milling, drilling, and tapping, Hansa YL1400A will offer you faster, more profitable production. The cutting tests below will prove its outstanding machining capabilities.